Hi everyone, it's Alyssa, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Dutch braided pony. The skills needed for this style are a Dutch braid and a ponytail. As always, make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We're going to begin by splitting our hair and parting it right down the middle. I'm now going to begin a basic 3-strand Dutch braid right at the top of my head. You can see how when I add in strands, I'm pulling them straight back. I'm now going to take this other strand of hair out so we can start another basic Dutch braid just like the other one. Once you have tied off your second pony, make sure to pancake your braids to give them a fuller look. Now we're going to cross our Dutch braids and pin them in place. Now you can see that I've tucked one braid behind the other, and I'm moving the hair from that pony to hide my ponytails and bobby pins. Now you've completed your Dutch braided pony. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my Instagram at Braid Inspiration for more hair ideas and check out all my other videos for more hair tutorials.